Well, YouTube, back in another video. Today's gonna be a video on how to make your dreads lock faster. So, the only way you can make your dreads lock faster is, to be honest, somebody used to talk about salt water, and I said that too, like a long time ago, but I don't know if that really worked. It probably, I feel like it kind of do work, but at the same time, I don't know, cause my dreads still took like 3 months to lock when I did it, and it still took 3 months this time, and I didn't use salt water for my dreads to lock. But for sure, the number one way to make your dreads lock is to get braids. Some people starter locks, and this is for starter locks too. Like, it's only for starter locks, to be honest. If you don't got starter locks, your dreads already locked. But if your hair not long enough to braid, that's sad. But I'm gonna tell y'all another way to make your dreads lock. If you do got starter locks, but your starter locks is like real short. So yeah, so number one rule to make your dreads lock faster, your starter locks to turn to dreads to lock faster. If you got starter locks that you want to turn, I don't know, but y'all know what I'm saying. But if you want your starter locks to lock faster, you want to get braids, like cornrows, single braids if you got to, cause you can't get no cornrows. You just get single braids. Your hair too short for cornrows. And one way for your starter locks to lock, if you don't got long enough hair to braid, is to wash your hair with cold water, because cold water make your hair like tangle up, and then it just lock up faster when it tangle up, and it's just getting tighter. And some people might say you can't wash starter locks, but you can. You just gotta wash it lightly, or wash your hair like with a sponge. I know it sounds weird, but I made a video on how to wash your starter locks with a sponge, and it's gonna be in the description. That's for y'all to see how to wash your starter locks. And washing your hair with cold water helps way more than it does with hot water. So that's how you make your dreads lock faster, your starter dreads lock faster. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next video. Gang.